Here are 5 tips to get ready to go once you've landed that whale. Do an orientation with your team. Make sure everyone on your in-house team knows everything they need to know about this client. Prioritize communication. Responsive communication establishes trust and credibility with your clients of any size. Tighten your processes and quality control. Level up your current processes and quality control methodologies to make sure that no unforced errors are occurring so that you can deliver world-class service. Take your reporting up a notch. Prove your value to your whale of a client through excellent reporting, responding to their feedback, and fostering an environment of continuous learning and improvements to enhance the way you serve them month over month. Have a support team for when you can't do it all on your own. Look beyond your agency walls. When you need to scale up your service offering through a solution like a white label ad operations team to avoid the traditional overhead and lead up time that comes with hiring someone new internally,